guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Be Fit with Priya. First of all, thank you so much for your beautiful remarks on my previous video, which was how to be consistent with your workout. And कुछ लोगों ने कहा है कि उस वीडियो में मैंने उनकी मन की बात कही है. So it is because even I have gone through that phase and I have faced those problems. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब भी मेरे हस्बैंड मुझे कहते थे कि चलो वॉक के लिए चलते हैं, सो माई इंस्टेंट रिप्लाई यूज टू बी आई डोंट हैव टाइम. So yes, of course, I'll be sharing my weight loss journey soon. And let's begin with today's video. I hope all of you are fit and healthy. Healthy. What does that word actually means? Such a common word. We are using it every day. So is it just related to your physical fitness? No. It is equally related to your mental fitness also. So what is mental fitness? Mental fitness means your ability to deal with your stress levels, your anxiety, your day-to-day problems, how you balance your work life. So mental health is all about, how motivated you are throughout the day, how high are your energy levels. Sometimes you must have seen कि आजकल लोग बहुत जल्दी इरिटेट हो जाते हैं, they become short tempered. थोड़ा सा भी काम करने के बाद we are all drained out although we are physically fit. So what is the reason behind all this? Why is it happening and why is it becoming such a common problem? Majorly during this time of pandemic, ये चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हुई हैं. Today I'll be sharing 3 important tips how you can keep your mind healthy. So it is not just about your physical workout, but you also have to work upon your mind. So tip number 1 is, that we need to realize that the biggest happiness, the biggest joy in this world is that we are alive. We are alive, we are together with our family, we are healthy. सी छोटी मोटी चीज़ें तो लगी ही रहती हैं एंड दैट इज़ वॉट लाइफ इज़ ऑल अबाउट. थिंक अबाउट पीपल हु आर वर्किंग एट द बॉर्डर, जो नेवी में हैं, जो आर्मी में हैं, जो डेली बेसिस पे अपनी फैमिली मेम्बर्स से मिल भी नहीं पाते हैं, राइट? So we all must be thankful, we all must be grateful to God for whatever we have today. So what you have to do is every morning when you wake up, the first thing, जब आप अपने बेड में ही होंगे, so you have to fold your hands, you have to close your eyes and you have to be thankful to God for everything that you have today, because it is all God's grace. So by doing this, you are creating a positive aura around yourself which remains with you throughout the day. Believe me, आपको शायद ये ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि how will that work, या what is all this about? But practice this for 10 days. 10 days on regular basis and you will definitely feel the change. I guarantee you this. But it has to be regular. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप एक दिन करो and दूसरे दिन आप भूल जाओ. For this also I can help you out is you can set an alarm for that. So every morning set an alarm, and when that alarm rings, so you will get to know that the first thing you need to do is you have to be thankful to God. Yes, see, gratitude has a lot of power in itself. Yes, and you are making, you are creating so much of positive energy for the whole day by doing this. So this is tip number 1. Secondly, we get very influenced by people, what people talk about us, especially if that is something negative. अगर आपके बारे में कोई कुछ गलत बोल रहा है, so you carry that thought in your mind throughout the day and throughout many days, in fact throughout many months, through years भी. कई बार हम बहुत सालों तक भी उस चीज़ को अपने माइंड में फ्रेश रखते हैं. जिसने आपके बारे में बोला है वो तो बोल के एक साइड हो गया एंड ही मस्ट हैव फॉरगॉटन इवन दैट थिंग, बट आपके माइंड में वो चीज़ बिल्कुल फ्रेश रहती है. वाई? बिकॉज योर माइंड इज अगेन एंड अगेन रिपीटिंग दैट थिंग. वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको पिंच करती रहती है. सो हाउ टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट थॉट प्रोसेस, हाउ टू ब्रेक दैट चेन ऑफ थॉट्स? सो टिप नंबर 2 इज़ कि जब भी कोई आपके बारे में कुछ गलत बोलता है और whenever you are reimagining that thing in your mind, so what you have to do is think about something good which that person has done for you in the past. कुछ ना कुछ तो उस इंसान ने आपके लिए कुछ अच्छा किया होगा. Think about that. Okay, and the moment you think about that good thing, you'll feel an instant change in your mind. जो नेगेटिव थॉट्स जो रिपीट हो रहे थे आपके माइंड में, दैट विल स्लो डाउन, एंड कहीं ना कहीं आप ये सोचने लग जाओगे कि येस, वो दैट पर्सन इज नॉट दैट बैड. Okay, so this is a very important trick how you can calm down your mind and how you can gradually change your mindset. अब मे बी सम ऑफ यू कैन थिंक, कुछ 1% लोग ये भी कहेंगे कि हाँ, उस इंसान ने तो कभी मेरे लिए कुछ अच्छा किया ही नहीं है. सो इफ दैट इज द केस, तब तो चीज़ और भी आसान हो जाती है, सिचुएशन बिकम्स वेरी ईजी. फिर तो यू डोंट इवन नीड टू बॉदर अबाउट दैट पर्सन, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली दैट पर्सन विल नेवर स्पीक समथिंग गुड अबाउट यू. सो दैट हार्डली मैटर्स व्हाट दैट पर्सन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट यू. यस, एंड अगर कोई आपके बारे में कुछ नेगेटिव बातें कर भी रहा है, सो यू नो दैट पर्सन इज क्रिएटिंग अ नेगेटिव ऑरा फॉर हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ. That thought will not affect you till the time you don't accept that thought. So you have to make yourself so strong कि आप कोई भी negative thought accept ही ना करें. And the third most important tip is that mental and physical health go hand in hand. In a healthy body resides a healthy mind. So you must all work out for some time on daily basis. आप रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस, फिजिकल एक्सरसाइजेस कीजिए, राइट, बिकॉज यू नो मैनी ऑफ योर स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स आर बैलेंस्ड बाय डूइंग वर्कआउट. बहुत सारा ऐसा अग्रेशन होता है हमारे अंदर, जो बातें हम किसी से कह नहीं पाते, जो हम यू नो विच वी कैन नॉट टेक आउट ऑफ आवर बॉडी, you know, even if we want. So all this, you know, we can get rid of all this through our workout also. So please follow these simple tips, and मैंने खुद भी ये चीज़ें अपनी लाइफ में implement की हैं, and I felt the change. because जब आपको किसी चीज़ से कुछ you know एक positive change मिलता है, then only you can recommend some other person also, and then only you think of helping others also. So with this we come to the end of today's video, and please do write me down in the comment box, you know, how do you feel after implementing these things. क्या change आपने खुद में देखा है इन सब चीज़ों को implement करके, and do subscribe my channel अगर आपको मेरा videos पसंद आते हैं, and hit the bell icon so that you get the you know notifications regarding my latest videos. So that is all for today. Stay healthy, stay happy.